Hello everybody, Xanavi.net. We got new Nissan Leaf 2022 year. You can see that they're 14 miles, so it means the car is from the United States. From the factory, the language list is very small. It's English, Spanish and French. We have changed, we've made the conversion, so now we can see a very long list of the available languages. Climate in Celsius. The radio frequency step is European. The radio frequency step is 0.1. Many thanks for watching. If you want to do the same with your imported Nissan or Infiniti, please get in touch with us. Our contact details you can find in the description. Stay safe and bye bye.